Happy New Year! This is Katya, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick, delicious, and easy dessert, Bailey's Chocolate Mousse. I have only a handful of ingredients here, so this is going to come together very quickly. I will start by whipping some heavy cream, and while it's whipping, I'm going to separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. Well, I'm well on my way. I have my egg whites and egg yolks ready to go, and my whipped cream is ready. I'm just going to move it into a separate bowl because I'm going to need the stand-up mixture for something else. And now we'll work on the chocolate part of the mixture. We need about 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. Into that, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm going to bring the chocolate and the butter and melt the chocolate over a double boiler. Let me show you. So this is a pretty easy setup. I have a pot with some boiling water, and on top of that, I placed my heat-proof bowl with chocolate and butter. And just make sure that the water does not touch the bowl. And all I'm doing is just giving this mixture a constant stir and waiting until all of my chocolate's melted. My melted chocolate mixture is here. Now that it's off the heat, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Bailey's Irish cream into here. Mix it up and then put it away to cool while I'm working on the rest. While my chocolate is cooling, I'm going to put in my 3 egg whites into the bowl again of the stand-up mixer, and we're going to whip them for a few minutes. Once the egg whites have become nice and foamy, like this, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar in there and continue whipping. Okay, now that the egg whites are nice and stiff, we can be done whipping. The chocolate is nice and warm now. It does not need to be cold. You want it to be a little bit warm. So now I'm going to put in 3 egg yolks into this mixture. The egg yolks are in. Now we're going to alternate adding whipped cream into the chocolate and then egg whites. Okay, all of my cream and egg whites are in, and my mixture is nice and smooth. To the fun part. Now we're going to spoon it into pretty dishes or glasses. I'm using cocktail glasses. And it's all done. I've ended up with 5 pretty generous servings here. Now all that's left to do is chill them in the refrigerator for a few hours, and I'll be ready to eat. 2 hours later, my mousse is nicely chilled and done. Gonna garnish it with a little bit of whipped cream and chocolate shavings, and it's time for a taste test. Delicious.